Right now we are at Boulangerie Art Cafe, which is one of the most popular cafe in Cochin. As we enter, we can see entire wall is decorated with ton of artwork, which honestly gives an amazing ambience to this place. It looks really massive. Ambience is really cute and romantic. I think this is a perfect place for romantic couples. I'm already in love with this beautiful place because of its super nice ambience. Coming to food, they have such a huge varieties like spicy eggs, avocado sandwich, oven roasted legs, and so many other dishes from starter to dessert. I think they can even change the menu as per our dietary requirements. I ended up eating classic pancake which was spreaded with sugar powder with a bunch of orange and strawberry slices. Literally, it was so delicious and super fresh. If you honestly want to enjoy super nice food along with romantic ambience, you can reach out this place. Love you guys.